to my channel. This is Ogomwadi. How are you guys doing? Happy spring! Yay! This is one of my best weathers. It's not too cold, not too hot. It's just beautiful, and all those beautiful flowers are soon gonna be blooming. So guys, I want to show you one of the ice creams I like to make during spring season. I call it chocolate orange ice cream. Yum! If you like orange, this is it. If you like chocolate, here you go. So I'm going to run through the ingredients for you and tell you the measurement. And also, I'll be putting the measurement in the description box below in case you want to make this. And I assure you, if you make this, you will not want to make any other type of ice cream anymore, okay? So over here, of course, I have the orange juice. I'm going to be needing like a 1 cup of the orange juice. I'm using brown sugar, but feel free to use white sugar. I'm using half a cup of sugar. And here I have vanilla. I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of vanilla. For the cashew, I like to use unsalted. If it's salted that you have, it's fine. Just use half a cup of the salted or unsalted cashew. And here I have dark chocolate. This is semi-sweet chocolate chips. It's not too sweet and not too bitter. It's just good. All I need here is 6 ounces of this. All right. So of course, I already measured them out over here. You can see the orange, the cashew, the chocolate chips, the water. We're gonna be needing 1 cup of, actually three-quarter cup of water will be fine for this. Yes. And also, I measured out my sugar. Everything is already measured out for us to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this. It's very simple. All this is gonna be made in the blender. You add all your ingredients to a jar and just close the lid, and then blend. What I mean jar, I mean your blender jar. If you have the one that uses plunger, just use your plunger lid to blend the mixture together. That's just it. Just set your machine to ice, so it could break down, the chips and cashew and everything. But if you're using regular blender, which I'm going to be using NutriBullet blender, I mean, that's fine. All you're doing is just mixing everything. And if your mixture is too runny, just place it in the freezer for like 20 minutes and then serve it, okay? Once your blending is finished, dispense your product into the container of your choice. It's as simple as that, okay? So let's go into making this chocolate orange ice cream. Yay! So now I'm using the Ninja the Ninja blender I have. We're just gonna pour all our ingredients. It's good to measure it the right way so you get the right consistency. Here I have all the dry mixture. So now I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna be using a teaspoon. And here we go. The orange juice. And the water to ease on the sweetness. And that's it. You cover. If you're using the blender that has ice maker, just keep using the ice to pulse it and pulse and all that. I'm using this because this blender is kind of more powerful for me. I like it. I could use the other one too, but to show you that you can use any blender of choice. If you don't have any of those, use your regular blender. Just keep pulsating it, okay? And like I said, if you think it's watery, don't worry. Just put it in your jar and put it in the freezer for 20 minutes and you're good to go. We need everything to mix together to combine properly so we can get that taste that we want. I'm gonna blend for like, let's say you blend everything for like 3 to 4 minutes, that's fine. Look at that amazing chocolate color. Don't you feel like just having this right now? So you know how powerful your machine is, so you can check to see if it's smooth enough. If not, if you have a very strong machine, I mean, three minutes is fine. And okay, I think we're good to go right now. You see how it looks like it's running? Let me set them all. As you can see, guys, mine is running. It always comes out like this most times, but that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead. You could scoop it in your ice cube box if you want to do that, or okay, so I'm gonna be pouring it in this cup. This cup has a cover. This is like a soup cup, but I'm just gonna use it anyways because it's microwave safe, freezer safe, and all that. So I'm gonna put it in the freezer for 20 minutes and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, I changed the container. So you see, this is the ice cream bowl. Here you go. Yummy, yummy looking ice cream, guys. Look at that. Go and make yours. You will surely enjoy it. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for coming back if you have. God bless you. See you some other time. Bye.